Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This villa is nestled within the gated community of Casa Monte Estate and boasts four spacious bedrooms and four well-appointed bathrooms. The property offers an array of premium amenities designed for comfort, including a beautifully maintained complex pool, a security alarm system, a reliable water tank, and a standby generator to ensure uninterrupted power supply. All windows are equipped with hurricane shutters, providing added security and peace of mind. Each bedroom is air conditioned for optimal comfort. The villa also offers breathtaking mountain views, enhancing its serene ambiance. Additionally, there is a dedicated helper's room with an ensuite bathroom, ensuring convenience and privacy for household staff. Casa Monte Estate is the perfect residence, ideally situated near schools, shopping centers, and entertainment venues. Its scenic beauty and prime location makes it an exceptional place to call home. Schedule an appointment to view this property today because it was also recently reduced in price. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
The new asking price for this house is US 905,000 or Jamaican $143.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.